From Actionable Ops, here's how to plug Hermes into anything: GitHub, your database, Stripe, Notion. You wire them up once with MCP. MCP, the Model Context Protocol, is a standard for external tool servers. Instead of someone handwriting a native Hermes tool for every service out there, MCP lets Hermes borrow tools that already exist. You point it at a server, and Hermes discovers every tool that server offers automatically. There are 3 ways to reach a server. A stdio server runs locally as a subprocess with a command, arguments, and env. An HTTP server is remote, a URL and headers. And for hosted servers like Linear or Sentry, you set auth::OAuth, and Hermes handles the whole browser flow: discovery, registration, tokens, refresh. For internal servers behind mutual TLS, just point client _ cert at your PEM. Adding one is a few lines under MCP servers in your config. Here's the classic: the GitHub server, run with npx and a personal access token, or use Hermes MCP add with a preset, or browse the Noose approved catalog. Hermes MCP brings up a picker. Hermes MCP install N8N installs one in a click. Catalog entries are Noose reviewed, but always read the manifest before installing, especially the source and bootstrap commands. You don't call these tools by name. Hermes prefixes them, like MCP GitHub create issue, just so they don't collide, but that's internal. You ask in plain language, open an issue for the flaky reconnection bug, and Hermes reaches for the right tool itself. And you stay in control of what it can see. Per server, you can whitelist just the tools you want, exclude the dangerous ones, or disable a server entirely. When you install from the catalog, Hermes probes the server and hands you a checklist to pick tools interactively. That's a real security lever. Hide delete customer on your Stripe server and expose only the safe, read-only tools. It even goes both ways. Run Hermes MCP serve, and Hermes becomes an MCP server itself, so Claude Code, Cursor, or any MCP client can read and send your Telegram and Discord messages right through Hermes. That's MCP in Hermes, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.